Welcome to the Windows Club. Microsoft Edge is a nearly perfect browser. However, at times you might encounter the Edge installer error 80 on your Windows computer. And if you encounter this error, then I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution includes an initial checklist. Let us just assume that we need to run an SFC scan for it. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to download and install Edge from another source. Now when I say another source, it doesn't mean installing it from the original Microsoft website but the Microsoft Store. Let us open the Microsoft Store. Search for Edge in the search bar, wait for the list to load, click on Microsoft Edge browser and you can click on install here to install it on your computer. The next solution will be to repair or reset Microsoft Edge. We only have the option to repair it currently. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. In the settings menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select installed apps. Now wait for the list to load. Scroll down and click on the three dots associated with Microsoft Edge and then select modify. As soon as you click on modify, you'll get this option from which you can click on repair to repair Microsoft Edge. The last solution is to perform a clean install on your computer, which basically means resetting it to its original. For this, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on recovery. Select reset this PC. Now select keep my files. Wait for a few seconds and finally click on cloud download. Were we able to fix your problem? If yes, please let us know in the comments section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.